Welcome to the support video for Workload Automation video series. This video will demonstrate how to get the option to add new authorized server hosts for Contram Server version 9 upgrade. The upgrade toolkit that comes with Contram Server version 9 and 9.1.8 did not provide the options to add new authorized server lists for source environment with Oracle database. As a result, during upgrade export, no prompt is received to add the new Contram server hostname to the authorized server list for all connected Contram agents. Following steps will show you how to get this option back. On the old Contram server, where the version 9 upgrade toolkit is installed for data export, ensure that the Contram server services are running. Navigate to the Contram server version 9 upgrade toolkit installation upgrade_export/bin subdirectory and locate the controller.pl file. Take a backup copy of this file. Next, edit this file with a text editor. In this example, VI editor is used. From the editor, do a search on this file for the function run agents status and version query. Under my $SQL_query, ensure the SQL has a blank space between the single quotes after the syntax version not like. Under the same function, add -s to SQL syntax under my SQL command. Next, under get agent version function, add the SQL-s option as well. Save the changes and exit the text editor or close the file. We run the upgrade export and wait for a question prompt to appear. On the prompt, before answering no, navigate to the migration temp directory to verify if the output files agentlist.out and agentversion.out were created. Ensure all the expected agents are available in the list and at least version 6.401 fixspec 500 and later. Proceed with upgrade once the agent listing is verified to be correct. If the agent listing is incorrect, please contact BMC customer support for assistance before proceeding with the upgrade export. To summarize, these are the steps to be taken to get back the option for adding new authorized server during upgrade export. That concludes this Contram Solutions video. Please see our knowledge base and YouTube channel for more videos like this.